Hi my dear YouTube fragrance friends, welcome to my channel. Today I would like to unbox together with you this beautiful Arabic Middle Eastern perfume, and I would like to say hello to everyone. Thank you for being here with me today. I hope you are having a beautiful day today, and I hope you're gonna enjoy this unboxing, first impressions, and let's see what we could discover together. So thank you very much for being here again. And first of all, I would like to tell you that my scent of the day today was another Arabic perfume, and that would be this one. So that one would be, you know what is this, guys? That would be Shams Al Emarat Kusi by Ard Al Zafran. So there are basically two Shams Al Emarat Kusi in general, and I chose to buy, guys, this one. The reason why, because one box was coming in like this type of packaging, and the other one was some kind of different. This one is so-called red oud. That's what's the difference. And I bought it because I thought it's by Latafa, but it's not. It's actually by Ard Al Zafran, and I am really happy with this perfume. It's Shams Al Emarat Kusi. I guess like one day I will do like feminine perfumes from Middle Eastern, because not all of them are super feminine, but this in particular one is very feminine, and I really enjoy it. Longevity is good, you know, the femininity factor is good, like the quality of the perfume is good, and it's kind of like a overall pleasant, and plus this bottle is just kind of cannot be anything better. So this perfume was my scent of the day. If you are interested to see the review, or if you are undecided to choose which perfume to buy, you know, from those Shams Al Emarat Kusi, basically have a look at the video. But so far we need to go ahead and unbox this video, not the video, but I mean the box. So this perfume, Dirham Wardi is the name. Myself, like, let's say I already have, guys, 3 perfumes from this Ard Al Zafran range. One of them is Dirham Gold, and then I have this another one that I haven't unboxed. It's kind of in a white type of packaging. So, and this one I was recommended, guys, by 2 people, by 2 subscribers. I was recommended, and plus, like myself, I don't think I would buy it, but because I was recommended, I decided to give it a go, because they were telling to me that this particular, you know, fragrance is feminine, and I kind of I was struggling at that time with my Middle Eastern perfume collection, because I felt that some of them were slightly masculine, but then after I discovered more feminine perfumes, and this one I bought it because for that particular reason, guys, you know, that I heard that it's kind of like a feminine. So let's unbox it together. Dirham Wardi. I know that Dirham Gold would mean something with like a wealth and something money. Dirham Wardi, no, Dirham means wealth and money, and basically something about being rich, you know. And Wardi, I don't know what does that mean, Wardi. I don't know why they decide to put on the packaging this particular feature. It kind of looks like tea to me, you know, like a tea type of thing. And basically what else it says, eau de parfum natural 100 ml. And basically I watched a video of one lady, and she said that every time she's wearing this one she gets compliments, you know. Also she was saying that it's kind of like a white floral, you know, perfume, jasmine perfume. So basically, like, to me, this type of introduction of jasmine and white florals kind of, it slightly puts me off, because I'm not a fan of them. But when she said that kind of every time she's wearing it she gets compliments, so then, you know, perhaps I changed my mind, and let's unbox this video and this box and this particular perfume, and let's just see without wondering too much, you know, how is it going to be. So the packagings are brilliant. The price was in between of like around 15 pounds, and the packaging is kind of such a beautiful packaging. It's so like nice, and so kind of, you know, very nicely packaged, that is suitable for present. So we're gonna rip it off, this beautiful, you know, type of feature right there, and we're gonna unbox it. It's as if I'm unboxing some kind of like a birthday present for myself today. That's how I feel, guys. And let's basically see if we're gonna like this particular perfume. So we're gonna unbox it right now, guys. Like I was waiting for maybe like 1 month, guys, until I could unbox this video, because I did some more unboxing videos. I haven't checked the notes, so what will be like talking here, guys, is more about the feeling of the perfume. Like, let's say, what would be first impressions, you know, like, will I think that I will like this perfume? Is it going to put me off, or is it going to be perhaps so floral, this perfume, that I will not like it, you know? I don't have like any type of you know, white floral perfume in my collection that I would like, you know, because it seems like I don't like white floral perfume. I have this like a Zara tea, what's that, tea garden or something like that, I forgot the name, but Zara, you know, and then basically I'm not really into it. So basically this is the perfume, guys, this beautiful box, and let's just kind of unbox it right now, okay? Let's just have a look. How I'm pretty sure that you know, the bottle will look as beautiful as it can be. Ooh, it's actually super fancy, super fancy, the little cute bottle. So I have already this like a dirham gold, and this there was like a black bottle. It looked like a niche bottle, you know, and with this black dot there, or a golden dot, and maybe what they feel is this like a dirham money over there, like, is that how those coins looks like? I'm not entirely sure, let me know, guys. And basically super duper nice, the bottle. Who wouldn't like to have this beautiful perfume in their collection? I would like to have it. But right now, as like we're gonna discover, are those white florals gonna be off-putting, or are they gonna be nice? I also heard that the longevity is not the greatest, maybe 5 hours, you know, because knowing that other perfumes, you know, last longer, like for example this one, definitely 5 hours, you know, maybe even more, maybe 5 in between, you know. But let's have a look. So let's just kind of have a look to open this beautiful bottle. I don't feel anything yet right there. That means it might be not too strong, because sometimes I'm feeling it, you know. So one spray, let me see, guys. So basically one spray right there, okay? So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so, okay, 2. And let's see what will happen, guys. I don't know what am I gonna think about this particular perfume, so... So when I said this white florals, it's really white florals. This is like as white florals, it gets as a white as it can be. So, okay, it's not sharp, it's very feminine, and it's definitely, guys, white florals. Jasmine, do you like jasmine note? So right now, we were just gonna wait. Reminds me of that Elizabeth Arden, you know, that Elizabeth Arden, this red type of packaging, and that bottle is clear, you know, that Elizabeth Arden, that type of... Not green tea, but... Okay, so, okay, because it's not sharp, you know, not too sharp, guys. So for that reason, we will be able to kind of to spray a little bit more, guys. Okay, so I'm able basically. Let's just give it a go. Maybe let me see if I could spray on mine. This is alcohol is overpowering right now, but let's just chat it out a little bit right now. So because alcohol is hitting my throat, cannot say much so far, but that was really white florals, you know. I wonder, the question for me is like, would that people really like compliment, those my 2 subscribers, at least one of them, I remember she would get compliments. So it's kind of not too sweet. It's white florals, not too sweet. It's not like I don't feel vanilla there, let's say. It's kind of fresh white florals, which actually might be quite refreshing throughout the day. Something a little bit nicer there coming through, like. Kind of pretty nice there. So basically fresh and white florals so far. Feels type of refreshing, It's kind of as if you would want to submerge yourself in this bottle and you will not feel overly sweet, But there is type of little bit light sweetness. So I quite like it, to be honest. I quite like it. It's not gonna be my favorite, but I quite like to have it. I quite enjoy this, all of the unboxing type of situation, I think I will enjoy it. So basically, I'm feeling right now refreshed, feminine, white florally type of scented. And you type of, you wouldn't be able to put your finger on what type of perfume are you wearing. Like, let's say if somebody would be guessing what type of perfume are you wearing, they wouldn't be able to guess it, so very nice, very nice. Like, there's definitely feminine, nothing too like like too overpowering, so which is good because so many perfumes are overpowering, guys. Like, as so far there is something pleasantly sweet, as if that would be some kind of apricot or peach. I don't know what it is. Like, so far it was my unboxing video, guys, about this particular perfume. To understand, would this perfume kind of fulfill the requirements of being super nice perfume? I will only know in the future, while wearing it, while trying it, while trying to discover it in the future. But right now I'm actually quite enjoying it. Like, let's see what's gonna happen, guys, soon in the future. And if you are like person that is trying to decide what to buy, so as a present is actually perfect. You also would need to like white florals, and it's useful, this perfume, I think it's quite safe gift, safe type of gift. I start to feel some kind of sweet notes that I really type of quite enjoy. It makes this perfume interesting. Those type of, not like vanilla type of sweet, but something else type of that it gives a hint of interest. I will be wearing this perfume today, guys, and let's see if I will like it or not. If you would like to know my future experience with this particular perfume, like, am I gonna get any compliments? Like, are people gonna kind of notice it, or like, am I gonna feel super happy with this perfume? By the way, if you already have experience with this particular perfume, let us know. What is your experience? Is it pleasant, not pleasant? Are you gonna buy it again, or what are you thinking, guys? So basically, thank you very much, my 2 subscribers, for offering me this perfume. I think I will enjoy it. It might be actually my one perfume, white florals, that I will like. I think I started to like it right more in the middle of this video, or at the end of this video. I started to like a little bit more this perfume. Because it will be quite nice, refreshing type of white floral feminine perfume with this type of brand that not many people knows in the regular life. So that's all, guys. Like this video. Remember to simply just to like the video, and we can meet each other again on my future video. So I will come back to you soon. Have a beautiful, beautiful day, guys. See you soon, and bye bye.